Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. Here we conclude the Diwali special episodes with today's recipe. Yeah, the name itself tells everything about it. It's none other than Adhirasam. Let's quickly look into the ingredients. Rice 1 cup. Jaggery 3/4 of a cup. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Cardamom 2. There we go with the method. Wash the rice thoroughly. Soak it in water overnight, that is for 12 hours. After 12 hours, drain it, spread it to a cloth for about 10 minutes under the fan so that the excess water content is removed. Ensure there is moisture. When you keep your palm on it, some of the grains will stick to your palm. At this point, empty it into a mixer and blend it. Shift it into a container. Now let's make jaggery syrup. Empty the jaggery into a pan. Pour water to it so that the jaggery just submerges. Heat the pan. Keep the stove in medium flame. Now keep stirring until you get one string consistency. When you hold the syrup between your index finger and thumb, you can see single small thread formed. Then it means it has attained one string consistency. Now, switch off the stove. Add cardamom, ghee and mix well. Add rice powder little by little while stirring. Stir well so that lumps are not formed. Now shift it to a container. Let it cool. Once it cools completely, add little ghee so that it won't get dried up. Cover it with a lid. Leave it aside for about 8 to 12 hours. After 8 to 12 hours, mix it gently. Heat oil in a pan. After 8 to 12 hours, use a plate. Use a butter paper. If it's not available with you, then use plastic or polythene paper. Arrange like this. Reverse the plate. Place polythene paper on it and grease it with oil. Take a small lime-sized dough. Spread it in the polythene paper. Cover it like this. Use the backside plate and press it gently so that it forms a uniform circle. Now, deep fry in oil. Ensure that the oil gets heated well before immersing it. Lower the flame and cook both the sides well until it turns golden brown. Now shift it to a strainer. Fry one at a time in order to avoid sticking to each other. While shifting it to the strainer, press both the sides of the adhesive as shown. Now repeat the same procedure. Now you can enjoy delicious adhirasam. Hope you enjoyed all the Diwali recipes. This Diwali, make it more colorful by preparing your own sweets and share the joy with your family and friends and neighbors. And yes, do not forget to share the images of your preparations to the mail given in the description box. For your convenience, we have listed all the Diwali recipes in the description box. So what are you waiting for? Get started with your preparations. Wishing you and your family a happy and joyful Diwali.